What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen dimming issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display. So if you are on a dark mode, then switch back to light mode and it will help you to fix the dimming issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then here you will see a auto brightness button. So if you have enabled auto brightness, then it will make your screen dimmer in the light or bright area. So turn off auto brightness, and after turning off auto brightness, the screen dimming issue will be fixed. But after these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix the screen dimming issue on your Redmi 13. So that's how you can fix the screen dimming issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.